Hey guys, welcome. Today we're diving into the ULTIMEA 5.1.2 soundbar with Dolby Atmos, wireless 8-inch subwoofer, and surround sound system for TV. If you're looking to transform your home audio experience, this detailed review will help you understand why the Nova S80 might be the perfect choice for you. Before we get started, don't forget to check the link below for the best price available today. Design and build quality. The ULTIMEA Nova S80 soundbar boasts a sleek and modern design that seamlessly integrates with any home entertainment setup. The soundbar features a low-profile, brushed metal finish that exudes sophistication. The wireless 8 subwoofer and rear surround speakers are compact yet powerful, designed to provide a seamless and immersive audio experience without cluttering your living space. The overall build quality is excellent, reflecting ULTIMEA's commitment to high-end craftsmanship and durability. Audio performance. At the heart of the Nova S80 is its powerful 5.1.2 channel configuration, delivering an impressive 520W peak power output. This setup ensures a rich and immersive audio experience, whether you're watching movies, playing games, or listening to music. The soundbar is equipped with advanced audio technologies, including Dolby Atmos, which creates a three-dimensional sound field that envelops you in the action. The result is crystal clear dialogue, powerful bass, and dynamic surround sound that enhances every moment. Dolby Atmos and DTS. One of the standout features of the Nova S80 is its support for Dolby Atmos and DTS. These cutting-edge audio technologies add height channels to the soundbar, creating an overhead sound experience that brings depth and realism to your audio. This means you'll experience sound that moves around you in all directions, making you feel like you're right in the middle of the action. Wireless 8 subwoofer and surround speakers. The included wireless 8 subwoofer provides deep and powerful bass that adds impact to explosions, musical scores, and other low-frequency sounds. The subwoofer connects wirelessly to the soundbar, allowing for flexible placement without the hassle of cables. The rear surround speakers further enhance the immersive experience by delivering precise and detailed surround sound, making your audio experience more engaging and lifelike. 4K HDR pass-through and connectivity. The ULTIMEA Nova S80 supports 4K HDR pass-through, ensuring that you get the best possible picture quality from your 4K HDR sources. This feature allows you to enjoy stunning visuals, with rich colors and deep contrast, complementing the exceptional audio performance. The soundbar offers a wide range of connectivity options, including HDMI in, IRC, optical, USB, and Bluetooth. The HDMI IRC, Enhanced Audio Return Channel, provides a high-quality audio signal and allows for seamless control of the soundbar with your TV remote. Bluetooth connectivity enables you to stream music wirelessly from your smartphone, tablet, or other Bluetooth-enabled devices, adding versatility to your audio setup. Smart features and voice control. The Nova S80 is compatible with popular voice assistants, including Google Assistant and Amazon Alexa, allowing for convenient voice control of your soundbar. You can easily adjust volume, change tracks, and control other smart home devices with simple voice commands. This feature adds an extra layer of convenience and integration to your smart home ecosystem. Final thoughts. The ULTIMEA 5.1.2 soundbar with Dolby Atmos, wireless 8 subwoofer, and surround sound system for TV, Nova S80, 2024 model, is an outstanding choice for anyone looking to upgrade their home audio experience. Its combination of powerful audio performance, advanced Dolby Atmos and DTS support, sleek design, and versatile connectivity options make it a top-tier soundbar in the market. Whether you're a movie enthusiast, a gamer, or a music lover, the Nova S80 delivers an immersive and high-quality audio experience that will elevate your entertainment setup. Before you go, don't forget to check the link below for the best price available today. Thanks for watching, and happy listening.